Do you know the one mistake that ruins most lasagnas? It's not the oven and it's not the pasta. It's the sauce, made too fast. Because real lasagna isn't just made, it's built with patience. It all starts with a drizzle of oil, then onion, carrot, and celery. That smell you get right away? That's the foundation of everything. Add the meat, but don't touch it immediately. Let it properly brown and develop flavor. Then pour in the wine and notice how everything changes. After that comes the tomato, and this is where most people go wrong. Lower the heat and wait. 1 hour, maybe more. Because the sauce isn't just cooking, it's transforming. While that happens, prepare the bechamel. Butter, flour, milk. Simple ingredients, but the result needs to be smooth, creamy, and perfectly balanced. Now comes the magic. Take your baking dish and start layering. Sauce, pasta, bechamel, Parmesan. Then repeat. Layer after layer, you're building something that's more than just food. It's home. Finish with a generous final layer of bechamel and Parmesan, then place it in the oven at 180 degrees Celsius. And now, you wait. When it's finally out of the oven, don't cut it right away. Resist the temptation. Those 10 minutes of waiting make all the difference. And then comes the first cut. If you don't hear that sound, it wasn't the perfect lasagna.